Hello. All I use is simple AI. Let me show you how. ChatGPT Images turn text into visuals. You just write a simple prompt. No coding. No design skills. Let's go step by step. The first one, you can create thumbnails, posts, and simple designs. The results look clean and professional. It's not about talent, it's about practice. You learn faster by doing. Confidence grows step by step. Students use it to create study visuals.
Whirlwind. It saves time every day.
Simple input, clear results.
Skills matter more than papers. First, learn ChatGPT Images. Practice by creating simple visuals. Well, create a few sample designs. Start with small projects. Grow step by step. Let's quickly recap. Don't even have to work with your trust. This is simple and practical. Do you think you can start today? Serious, but you won't. You're not alone in this. Subscribe to KAKA AI for simple AI learning. Fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. Drawing. That's why this works for normal people. If I can do it, you can too. Follow KAKA AI for simple AI learning.